Lego, and I'm going to show you my white belt made out of Lego. So, here's a box. You write white belt, and you need a big box to put all of the white belt course inside with 2 people. Here I wrote white belt out of Lego, which is pretty hard. And then here I'm going to show you how it works. It's like real white belt. So, here's the slide. You go down the slide, and then you come here, you climb it, and then after you come here, and here's the sucker punch, and they're like punches that punch you, and here's the mud, and sometimes they punch you and you fall into the mud. And then you climb up here. Then here's the big red balls. Then here you jump onto the mattress. Then you jump on these. There's like 2 bars here, and then you have to jump on the 2. I forget the name in real white belt, but you have to jump on them. Then here's the landing. And I'm going to time how much they do. And here we have 2 contestants that want to go into the course, and the 2 customers think that they're better. So now they're going to see who's the best. Okay, so this guy's going to start. Now I'm going to do the timer. 3, 2, 1, action! He goes down the slide. 3, 2, 1, action! He goes down the slide. Then he comes here, goes onto the sucker punch, gets punched into the mud, climbs up into the big red balls, jumps on the first one, jumps on the second one, jumps on the third one. Can he make it? He jumps, but then he slips off right into the water. Then he comes onto the mattress, jumps. Is he going to make the next one? No, and he hits and he falls. Then here gets the landing and stop. That is 28.41. Okay. 28.1. Remember that in your head.
No, just reset it.
Okay. Now we have Ninja that's going to do it. Okay. 3, 2, 1, action! Goes down the slide and comes onto the sucker punch. Passes the first one, passes the second, and off. And then the sucker punch punches him. Then, next thing up, he climbs up. Then he jumps onto the ball. First one, second one, third one, fourth one. He makes it. Can he go into the mattress? Yes, he does. Then he jumps on the 2, and he makes it. Then, pause. Oh, he got 28 and 59. So, he wins. He got 28 and 41. And Ninja got 28 and 59. He wins the golden medal. Yay! Thank you for coming for the Lego white belt. We'll see you next episode. And I'm going to make a new course. And there's going to be new customers that are going to see.